Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are reviewing 615 acrylic marker set. It's a pack of 12 vibrant shades, and I bought this from a local stationery store at about a price of 270 rupees. Directly getting into swatching these pens, starting with paper. The color payoff is great when it comes to the white paper, but when it comes to tinted paper, in this case black, the color payoff is very disappointing, very dull, no shine whatsoever. So not very happy with this. However, from a price point of view and for the color range that's available, it's not really that bad. Please note that all of these videos or reviews are non-sponsored. They're out of my sheer experience of using these paint pens. And if you like what you're watching, then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just to make sure that I'm not wrong with my judgment of the payoff and some other textures on tinted paper. I tried to make some random doodles and see how it's working out, but quite disappointing. Now trying this on a ceramic palette, it is not as quick drying as I would have liked. But after I put it to dry for a couple of minutes and then wash it, the good thing is it's not coming off so quickly. So that I'm happy with. Conclusion, it's good for kids, students, don't recommend it to artists. Thanks for watching and see you next time.